Hi, hello Indian Scout owners. I'm going to do a review on some slip-ons I just bought from J&P Cycles. My wife and I picked this bike up about maybe a week and a half ago or something like that, 2 weeks ago. Anyways, part number is 450-413, and they come as a pair. So it's $84 for just the slip-ons, chrome. Really good price. 450-413 is the part number. J&P Cycles. And this is the size of it. Pretty drastic size difference. Quite small. Probably gonna be kind of loud, but most of the reviews I saw, they're inside a garage, so it's kind of misleading with the echo and everything. So I brought the bike outside so we can get a true sound. Everybody pretty much knows what the stock sound sounds like. We give it a go anyways. Boy, I like that sound. Sounds like a turbo in there or something. Anyway, that's a stock sound outside, not in the garage where it's echoing. It sounds pretty good. I just want to put something a little more aggressive. I didn't want to spend too much because I didn't know what I wanted. And they're only $84 for a pair. Looks like it's maybe 4 bolts. Easy to get to. Very simple, straightforward. And I'm gonna come back in a minute. I'm gonna swap them out and we'll do a test start. Do a sound check. Okay, so I got the exhaust off, the stock exhaust, and I went ahead and put the stock exhaust on a digital scale. My wife uses kilograms because she's not from around here, so it came out to 10.1 kilos, which is 22 pounds, 22.26 pounds. That's a lot of weight. So these slip-ons here, they wouldn't even register on a scale. I would say they're about 2 pounds a piece, maybe, if that. They're really light. But anyways, yeah, they're 22 pounds for the stock exhaust that I've just removed from the bike. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the slip-ons and then see what it sounds like. Be right back. Okay, so I got the J&P Cycle slip-ons installed. I didn't even use the brackets, or I didn't even need these reducers as well, but it's snubbed up so tight that it's solid. And I don't have a drill as well, so it turned out okay. We're gonna crank it up and see what it sounds like. Wow, that's a huge difference. It's pretty loud, but it's pretty cool at the same time. Anyway, that's $84 for a pair. J&P Cycles, the part number 450-413. Pretty cool. Okay, this is going to be a sound check taking off, and then I'm going to cruise by so you can get a sound check of these slip-ons.